Hey everyone, today we will unravel the secrets of modern marketing. We will be taking a deep dive into the exciting world of influencer marketing. In an era where traditional advertising is met with growing skepticism, particularly among younger generations, influencer marketing has emerged as a powerful strategy for brands seeking to connect with their audience in a more personal and authentic way. Influencers have the unique ability to spark conversations with their followers, and their recommendations feel genuine, making them a valuable asset for businesses. If you're eager to integrate influencer marketing into your strategy, you are in the right place. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of launching a successful influencer marketing campaign. Step number 1. Establish clear objectives. The first crucial step in launching your influencer marketing campaign is to set clear objectives. Objectives act as the foundation of your campaign, guiding every decision and ensuring you stay on track. Well-defined objectives prevent mid-campaign strategy changes. It is essential to keep the number of objectives limited and highly specific for the most effective results. Typically, influencer marketing campaigns focus on one or two objectives. Let us explore the most common objectives. First, visibility. Brands aiming for visibility aim to establish a strong presence on social networks and create a significant impact on users. These campaigns often involve collaborating with numerous influencers who are closely aligned with the brand. The key metrics for such campaigns are reach and engagement. Second, branding. Branding campaigns focus on building and reinforcing a brand's image and associating specific concepts or characteristics with the brand. This approach helps make the brand easily recognizable and associated with a set of attributes and values. Influencers with niche profiles are often preferred for branding campaigns, where the size of the influencer's community matters less than their expertise. Third, positioning. Brands looking to position themselves in the market strive to gain notoriety and become top of mind in their sector. They aim to be the first company that comes to a consumer's mind when they think of a specific need. Achieving this positioning involves providing consumers with information and emphasizing the brand's characteristics. Fourth, traffic. Generating traffic to your website is a common goal for many brands as it enhances visibility and positioning. Strategies like competitions, giveaways, and mentions on platforms such as YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram can generate traffic to the brand's social network profiles and increase their followers base. Fifth, conversion. Conversion is a direct result of increased traffic and is one of the most common campaign objectives. It can involve actions like new signups, app installations, specific actions on your sales funnel, or other user actions you define. For example, providing influencers with a unique tracking link and discount code can drive conversions. Sixth, brand loyalty. Brand loyalty is essential for retaining current customers. Consistently working with the same influencers over time and creating engagement through community activities can help maintain brand loyalty. Step number 2. Define your target audience. The next step is to precisely define your target audience. Your target audience represents the group of people for whom your product or service is designed. Defining your target audience involves gathering detailed information about their goals, lifestyles, preferences, shopping habits, desires, and interests, among other factors. You should aim to define these profiles with precision, considering not just age and gender, but specific information, including daily routines, job roles, and more. Step number 3. Set your budget. Now that you have your objectives and target audience, it is time to establish your budget. Determine how much you are willing to invest in your campaign. Decide whether you want to allocate your budget all at once in a single major campaign or opt for a longer-term approach. Your budget will be influenced by the influencers you choose. You will need to decide whether you want to invest in ads and consider involving the press in your campaign. Step number 4. find the right influencers. With your objectives, target audience, and budget in place, the next step is to find influencers who align with your brand and campaign goals. Reach out to influencers who meet your criteria and discuss fees and content expectations. Clarify the quantity and frequency of content, the platforms they will use, and the creative direction. Establish a legal contract outlining all agreements to ensure a smooth collaboration. Step number 5. Launch your campaign. The final step is to launch your influencer marketing campaign. Monitor and analyze the campaign's performance by tracking metrics like reach, engagement, conversion rates, and more to gauge the success of your strategy. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to launch your influencer marketing campaign successfully. Remember, a well-planned and executed influencer campaign can create authentic connections with your audience and drive positive results for your brand. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to strategically choose influencers for your brand, a comprehensive step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you until the next one.